I must admit, I went into Sitare Zameen Par wanting to like the film. And oh my god, there's nothing that stresses me out more than that, because will I like it? Will I not like it? And if I don't like it, will that disappoint me? Will that make me angry? Or worse, will it leave me hopeless? Well, let me tell you that if there's one thing that Sitare Zameen Par does do, it leaves you with hope. No, not for the neurodivergent, but for yourself. That's you. Yes, my friend, you can be a better person. Hi, today on Rotox Recommends, I am Rotox and I shall be recommending Aamir Khan and R.S. Prasanna's Sitare Zameen Par. Aamir Khan ने जब भी sports film बनाई है, he is one. Let's take a quick recap. So that should give us some assurance about the film itself, maybe. However, if I tell you that alongside being a sports film that you'll actually love to watch in theatres with your family, it's also Aamir's finest performance in years. I mean, it's not serious Aamir, it's not revenge Aamir. It is 90s Aamir, the fun Aamir. The sorry to say, but even harami Aamir. The one that we enjoyed so much in films like Andaz Apna Apna and even Ishq. But back to Sitare Zameen Par. दिल्ली की टीम का असिस्टेंट बास्केटबॉल कोच अपने सुपरवाइजर को डिसरिस्पेक्ट करने के लिए सस्पेंड हो जाते हैं, और ताकि उन्हें जेल ना हो, भाई साहब को सजा मिलती है कि वो जाकर कुछ न्यूरो डाइवर्जेंट लोगों को बास्केटबॉल सिखाए। इतना तो ट्रेलर से ही हमें पता लग गया था, लेकिन दिस गाय गुलशन अरोरा इज अ ब्रोकन मैन चाइल्ड who can't seem to get anything right. He's lost his job, he's lost his wife to a fight, has one lawyer friend who never really shows up again once he becomes a better person. He also has a hilarious mother, played by Dolly Ahluwalia, who is savage and has honestly the best track in the film. The team themselves, presented as whole people with backstories and personality that make us root for them. अब इस टीम को nationals तक ले जाकर जिताना है. But in this very process, Gulshan undergoes a transformation. Unlike Tare Zameen Par, which made you weep, Sitare Zameen Par makes you laugh. And here's the inherent problem with Sitare Zameen Par. Just because a film is presented like an issue film, does it become greater? Sitare Zameen Par makes you laugh, and honestly, I didn't cry once while watching the film. Now, this was my expectation, right? कि बॉस आमिर तो रुलाएंगे. अब रुलाने के बजाय हंसा दिया और कुछ साथ में सिखा भी दिया. And there are no real threats in the film. Nothing bad really happens. Two specific points in the plot had the potential for great drama or pain, but maybe because it was a faithful adaptation, maybe because there's already enough pain in the lives of the neurodivergent, the makers chose not to take it. The lack of melodrama, therefore, might actually be the thing that leaves people a bit confused. However, the climax makes up for it. Of course, I won't reveal what happens, but let's just say I haven't seen a better performance from Aamir in a while. It's also an absolute breeze to watch Genelia Deshmukh. She has this quality of sugar, almost invisible, but sweetens the entire cup. Dolly Ahluwalia is fantastic as the savage mom, and Brijendra Kala Sahab also shows up for perhaps the best scene in the film. Ayush Bhansali as Lotus, Simran Mangeshkar as Golu Khan, Rishi Shahani as Sharma Ji, Naman Mishra as Hargovind, Gopi Krishna Verma as Guddu, Rishabh Jain as Raju, Samvid Desai as Kareem, Vedant Sharma as Bantu, Ashish Pendse as Sunil Gupta, and Arush Datta as Sadbir. Each a shining sitara in this galaxy. As Diet Sabya would say, no notes. A few things I felt were unnecessary, like an entire lift sequence that honestly does not lift anything. And also the fact that music may not have given us even one song that we walk out of the theatres humming. These things definitely left me wanting. Now, people might be quick to call this film simplistic, some even mid. But I think Sitare Zameen Par is a warm hug. It's a feel-good film that you can watch in theatres with your entire family and honestly enjoy vintage Aamir having a blast on screen. The lessons about empathy are incidental. And honestly, what you love is the ensemble coming together and understanding how a team should love every person who is part of it, no matter how normal or not they might be. You can watch Sitare Zameen Par in theatres only. And don't forget to tell me if you agree or disagree with me in the comments. Also, we've just hit 9,000 subs on the channel, guys. Woohoo! But it would mean the world to me and my team if you could subscribe and get us to 10,000. So please subscribe, and I promise to bring you another recommendation the next time I watch a film and I really like it. Until then, don't forget to keep it just too filmy.